Good morning, y'all. I was literally awoken by a rooster. It sounds like it's like really close, straight in the backyard. Let's go check it out. Did you hear that? That's so crazy. Literally on a tropical island. I don't see him. Definitely hear him though. Anyways. Let's get ready for the day. We are ready for the day and look at this beautiful view. Oh my gosh. Stunning. So now we're just waiting for our taxi and then we're gonna get breakfast at this place called Kontiki Coffee. Outfit check while we wait for the taxi.
Huh? It's only a 10-minute drive.
And we have made it to our first stop, Kontiki Coffee. Let's go get some food. I'm hungry. We got a vanilla iced matcha. Let's try it out. Cheers. Actually, let me stir it first. Oh, should I have gotten a picture? Oops. Whoa, thank you. Oh my god. Got a Angus cheeseburger wrap. Okay, let me move the camera down. Oh my lord. Yum. Cheers. This is actually really good. Let's try fry. Okay, let's try the wrap. Cheers! Oh my god, it's hot. That's bomb. Just finished brunch and now we are on our way to Town Hall. It's about a 9-minute walk, which is good because I'm so fucking full. That was really good. So time to walk it off. I honestly always get skinnier on vacation, which I know surprises a lot of people, but I feel like it's because we're walking so much, you know? And we have made it to our first stop, the Town Hall. Woo!
It says City Hall on the sign also.
Okay, same shit, but look how cute it is. Look, it's the rooster that woke me up. Y'all, it is so humid here. My hair has officially fallen apart, but we are headed to the cathedral now. We have arrived at the cathedral, and when I was doing research, there was no crane in front of it, but here it is. Woo! Cute. Now on to the next. We're about 15 minutes from the garden now, and I'm excited for that. We've made it to Paofai.
Oh my fucking god, don't say that.
Paofai Gardens. The garden. We made it to the garden. Woo! Look how pretty. Wow. And then there's a little coastal walk, and we'll bring you along. Look how cute this is. Okay, the old people are tired, so we're moving on to the next stop, but we're taking the scenic route. Now we're gonna head to the Vaima Shopping Center. Y'all, look how beautiful that is. We have made it to the shopping center. Look how cute. Not the freaking sirens in the back. So they're having something at the market called an exercise. I saw like emergency trucks and stuff like that. So they said no one could get in or out. So we're just gonna skip that and go to the market first. Maybe we'll loop back later. But I'm excited for the market because I want some smoothies. Tahiti smoothie. If you know me, you know that I freaking love smoothies, especially Jamba Juice. But I heard that Tahiti is like super fresh. So I'm excited to try the smoothies here and I will let y'all know what I think. It's literally so hot. I really need that smoothie like right now. We stopped by a souvenir store on the way. Look how cute. I really want this shot glass, but it is freaking $9 for one. We've made it. Tahiti smoothies. We finally got our smoothies. I got a pink smoothie.
I got a mango tango.
Cheers! Taste test. Just strawberry banana smoothie. What's that? Kind of sour. Pink smoothie?
Always strawberry.
Strawberry banana basically. Kind of sour, right?
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
It's like very average. Like a 3.
Whoa!
It was
That's average?
This was $10.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was like $9.
So I would rate it a 3. Like
I will have to go with the 3 as well.
You know what I mean? Yeah. I feel like it was like.
I'm kind of sad. I was excited for this, guys. On to the next stop. We're going to Papeete Market. See y'all there. We've made it to the market. Let's go explore. There's a lot of black pearl jewelry because Tahiti's known for black pearls apparently. The market closes at 4. It's like 2:40, but a lot of booths are already closed. Vivian, look. I don't know if we came too late or something, but it's pretty dead. We're done exploring the market and now we're gonna go back to the shopping center. Hopefully it's open now. And we're just gonna kind of chill there, kill some time until, you know, we're hungry and ready to eat dinner. Okay, just kidding y'all. The shopping center is all outdoors and there's no places to sit. So we're just gonna get some McDonald's and then we're gonna head home and chill. We just got back to the B&B and the sun is setting right now. We're just gonna chill. So everyone else is swimming right now and the $1,000,000 question is, do I go swim with them? Because I'm kind of tired of hiding my tats from my parents, but I also don't want to reveal them right now in front of them on vacation because, you know, it's their experience too. And if like, well, it's mainly my mom that's not okay with it. My dad doesn't really care, but like if she is unhappy about it, I don't want to like ruin her vacation because this is also like her experience, you know? So yeah. Do I just go swim with the wetsuit? Like, do I not swim? Like, what's the move, y'all? I am debating. Dinner time. We are eating a McCrispy with fries. Oh my god, yeah, they have baguettes at McDonald's here, but only in the airports apparently. Okay, McCrispy. What is the difference between a McCrispy and a McChicken? They look kind of the same. Cheers. I would like it's basically the same as a McChicken. Hey y'all, I forgot to mention, but I didn't end up going swimming earlier because everyone like stopped swimming already. But guess what just happened? My fucking dad walked in on me when I was half naked. I just got out of the shower, I had my towel, so I was covering my private parts, but he walked in and the door is like behind me. So he probably saw my back and he's never seen my back tat before. So much for fucking hiding them. And also he opens it and he doesn't even close it. He just opens it. And he's like, oh, you're still in here? You should close it immediately when you realize there's someone in there. Anyways, I think it's time to call it a night. I'm probably gonna spend the rest of the night packing a little bit and then editing a little bit as well. Yesterday, some of the files got corrupted, so I had to go back and re-edit them. It's about 3 minutes worth that got corrupted. We have to check out of the Airbnb tomorrow by like 11 a.m. And then we're probably gonna get breakfast somewhere and chill until we can board the cruise ship, which is around like 1 p.m. This is a different cruise line. It's called Windstar. I've never been on it. It's apparently like more of a smaller luxury cruise. It usually is pretty expensive and the only reason we're going on it is because there was like a random discount all of a sudden. But yeah, I'm excited to see how it is. It's like a lot smaller, so there's not like a lot of people on there. There's no casino, which is good because I need to stop gambling. But that's good. I could just focus on like going to the gym and editing all my vlogs that I haven't edited yet. And I also brought a couple of books that I want to read, and I also downloaded like a lot of podcasts, so excited to just chill and be disconnected for a while. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.